Some drones don't look like machines. They look like animals. The US has developed drones that mimic hawks and falcons, with flapping wings and realistic silhouettes. From the ground, they look like ordinary birds, but in reality, they're carrying cameras and sensors for surveillance. They can circle high above enemy positions without anyone suspecting a thing. This is next-level camouflage, using nature itself. Even trained soldiers can't tell if it's bird or machine. Saw creepy or genius? Comment your thoughts and subscribe for more futuristic drone secrets.